My name is Ashok from Audio Secure in Pinetown. So we've got a BMW 2011 E92 M3. So this customer is a very dedicated and a good customer of us, Audio Secure. He loves his installs, he loves his cars, he loves everything needs to be done to the T. With regards to the sound, he likes his music loud and clean. The important factor is clean and clear. So in this car here, it's got a Harman Kardon setup, which is factory. We decided to leave the Harman Kardon as is. The customer was happy with that, with the rears and the fronts. He was very happy with that part. He just needed more bass. He wanted to add on two 10-inch subwoofers in his vehicle. He wanted his boot to look as a nice showstopper boot, something clean. And he also wanted boot space. So what we actually did was we put in two 10-inch P2 subwoofers. We added on a 500 block, and then we sat down and we worked on the box. We customized a nice box according to his liking. With the limited space that the customer gave us, we gave him what he needed, and he was very happy. He was blown away. It ticked all the boxes. Everything was done to the T. The customer didn't choose the color. He just left it entirely up to us to choose the color. All his vehicles got different colors. This color that we added onto the vehicle, not many vehicles got it. It's a little bit unique. And it's a mixture of colors which blended into the vehicle. 100%, it is a showstopper. It's a showstopper because of the way the boxes are designed, the way the sub is loaded in the box, and the colors of the lights as well. I think the cherry on the top is the logo in the center with the Rockford. It's how it's done. It's lovely.